Well, she was sleeping, but I kind of woke her up when I opened the door to peek in. But I'm gonna let her sleep for a while. But today is the day. Today is the day, guys. You know, last night I ran the risk. I ran the risk of not doing it last night because I know I'm sticking to the plan. I'm going to Critter Lake today. But like last night was so perfect with the perfectly clear sky. The stars were out. We're having a beautiful evening in the hot tub with a fire and listen to some music, drink some, well, I drank some whiskey. She just drank some sparkling Martinelli's. But, you know, last night I was thinking maybe I should just do it tonight. It's just the moment's so perfect. But I was like, no, I'm holding out. I'm sticking to the plan. I'm just so excited to do it. Yeah, it's exciting. Today's the day. She has no idea still.
I'm supposed to press this button. What the heck?
Need coffee. I know how to make it work.
Oh, it says it won't until 2:28 p.m.
We have to wait till 2:28 to get our coffee? Oh boy, that's a long time. Oh gosh,
Cold
maybe
out there?
he didn't even lock this door. People could have broken in and killed us. It's working. Babe, which mug do you want? I'm gonna take this one right here. Which one do you want? Pick a good one.
This one.
Nice choice. Like all our snacks. This is just for the movie theater room. We haven't used any of it yet. Checking out all the dangers out on the trail. And all the cute friendly ones too. Wow. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. That's so beautiful. Whoa. That's insane. I like this one better than Multnomah Falls. This one's just bigger. It's not as tall, but it's bigger and prettier, yeah. Wow.
I like how the mist just like waters all of the plantation down there.
Yeah. Crazy. what do you think? It's pretty.
I like it.
I love it. I want some more of it. Six months pregnant and she still hikes like a champ. Whoa, that's a bigger cliff than I thought. Look how far down that goes. I might do more angles, more angles. We'll pay you for this. We just came to the most peaceful opening to a lake. This is such a gorgeous hike. Wow. That's beautiful. This is so beautiful. Wow. Is this the most calming, peaceful lake you've ever been to?
It is really beautiful.
This is a really wobbly log.
Be careful.
No fun being careful. This is great. So in case you didn't know, we're like 10 miles west of Crescent Junction, Oregon, and this is called Diamond Creek Falls. And there's another falls. I don't remember what that one's called. The one we just saw, the really big one. Oh, Salt Creek Falls. That one you just walk from the parking lot. This one's an actual 4-mile loop hike. Whoa.
Chance of survival probably 1%.
Yeah. Whoa. Careful.
Definitely have some broken stuff.
Yep. Come on. Come on, hurry, I want to beat you there. I want to beat you. Wow. Okay. This is cool. It feels so good. being another friendly camera guy. Let's have some lunch. In the form of Costco Aussie Bites.
And applesauce.
And Costco applesauce. Great snail tracks. I said great snail tracks. Okay, what do you think of this falls?
I think it's setting.
How would you rank it out of the three? You got Multnomah Falls, Diamond Creek, and the one we just saw.
This is my favorite.
You think?
Just because you get to be so close.
Yeah. This might be the best just because you're right at the base. They're all great. It's kind of hard to rank them. No. I think we try round 2 tonight to get some broasted chicken and JoJo's.
Yes, we have to try again.
Attempt 2 tonight. We still don't know what happened last night. If they were just closed, if they're always closed, is it shut down?
We saw it this morning. There were a few more cars than yesterday.
Yeah, but I need some of that broasted. I've been dreaming about that broasted chicken. Everybody raves about it on the reviews. No way! Manly's is open for the best freaking broasted chicken in the county. Maybe in the state. We will be the judge. This looks a little more lively than it did last night. Ah, I see now. They were closed last night at 10. We got there at like 11:20. Pretty cool place in here. Got some slot machines. I love it. The lady at the bar was very, very nice who took my order. Play some pool.
Cameron, here's some water for you.
Thank you very much. Ah, blinding. Good news. Roasted chicken is on the way.
Yay!
Let's test my luck while we wait for our food. Nothing. 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 I think I might play some Morgan Wallen for these kind folks in here and then just grab my food and leave them. They need to liven up. There we go. Thank you very much.
You're very welcome, honey. So we got $28.70.
Okay. Oops, my wallet is in my backpack from hiking.
We still don't have a way to run cards, honey, but we do have an ATM if you need.
Oh, it's cash only.
Right.
Oh.
We don't have a way to tap. We don't have a way to run
Okay,
cards.
I can get cash.
Okay.
Yeah. All right, attempt 3. There you go.
Okay. We've got $28.75.
Yeah, you can just keep the change.
Thank you, honey, and I'll hand you this.
Thank you very much.
There you go. Enjoy.
Thank you. All right. We have done it. Here, sweetheart. Next stop.
Beach!
The beach.
Let your face on.
That smells amazing.
Does smell fabulous.
Give me a JoJo.
I want to get some.
Let's go absolutely house this chicken. We were going to bring this to the beach, but like, it might be kind of hard to eat laying down in sand and stuff. So we got a finger steak salad. Oh, I can smell it. Broasted chicken with like their homemade potato. I want to say chips, but they're not crispy. They're more like fried texture. Oh yes, let's go. Manly's Broasted chicken. Great stuff. Right? Yeah.
It's really moist.
There's that word again.
Good level of crunch.
Yeah. Real crispy. This slaps my ass so hard.
Yeah.
Okay, Linnea's downstairs right now. I'm having second thoughts about going to Crater Lake. I know I probably still should. I should stick to the plan. That was the whole point of this entire trip. It being 2 hours away, further down south, and then driving 2 hours back, and then an hour at least on the hike. That's a 5-hour trip right there. And she's already kind of like tired from the hike earlier. And she said her ankle's been hurting her. It was hurting her earlier on the hike. And so I kind of feel a little bit bad taking her all that way to make her do another hike. I don't know how hard it's going to be. I know there's going to be some snow on the hike. I don't know. I'm just having second thoughts. Hold on. Okay, we're good. I know it doesn't have to be, at Crater Lake where this was the whole plan, and it feels so dumb if I were to bail on that plan now. We wouldn't be getting back until probably 10 to 11:30 p.m. tonight. I don't know. What should I do? These ones?
Yeah.
Kobe! Kobe!
Oh, yeah.
Nice. Okay, we just arrived at the beach and it's more beautiful than I even imagined. That is just pure sand. The water is sparkling. You got mountains in the background. There's nobody here. This whole parking lot is empty. How excited are you right now?
Super excited.
Let's go have the time of our life.
What?
Oh my god. I can't explain to you how amazing this beach is. It's even better than what I thought. Oh, look at this. It is the most beautiful day. Perfect weather, perfect beach. This is just perfect sand. Oh. So I officially changed my mind. This is like the most amazing beach. This is like the most amazing moment. We've been here for like an hour, and I think I've made up my mind. I'm gonna do it here. And I might do it very soon, or I might wait a while for the sun to kind of die down. I'm not really sure. I really want to do it right now. She said yes, by the way.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
Let's see it. Look at it sparkle in the sun. Yep.
I love it. I so love it. It's beautiful.
This will forever be our beach now. As soon as I got here, I knew, like, oh, this is it.
I love you. Wow. It's so beautiful.
Yeah, it is.
This is so amazing. This is the best. I had no idea.
Really? Yeah, I didn't think you did. All right. We're engaged.
We're engaged.
We did a little swimming off camera, didn't we?
Yeah.
It was amazing. The water was so warm.
So nice.
Yeah. There's a bee right here. Look at that. You see it? Do you see it? Do you see it? Do you see it? Ah! Get off of me! All right, babe. Let's wave bye to our lake.
Bye, lake.
Bye, lake. Bye, lake. Normally take this one. Well, I somehow failed to make Jiffy Pop. Oh god, yeah. I think I ripped too much of the side tabs off. I exposed it and now it's just popping out. Alright, well.
That was a fail.
Epic fail. Let's get that fan on. Good thing we got a backup.
And our next Airbnb is very exciting. But first, let's get ready for the made some coffee in a big mug. Enjoy the Kansas sunrise on the back porch of the dome.
Got it.
Oh, nice.
All right, I guess that about wraps it up here. What was the highlight of the trip for you?
Oh, definitely being proposed to.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Oh, mine was that slapping burger yesterday. No, this has been amazing. Get to go home with a new fiance. What are you gonna miss the most about this place?
I'm gonna miss the movie theater.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm gonna miss the hot tub
Yeah.
and just all the bathrooms. Okay, any final words? It's been a trip of a lifetime.
Yep.
Couldn't ask for more. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. So this is the Hydro Flask, like, corporate office store. And when we pulled up, there was a line down the block, and we're like, what is going on? We had no idea. Look at this. And it's just a big parking lot sale on like discounted items and Hydro Flasks. I'm shocked that that many people are here for that. Like it just goes down the block. All of this is just a line of people. When I say down the block, I'm not kidding. Like to the next street. It's crazy. This many people are interested in just a parking lot sale of Hydro Flask. Well, look at that. More than down the block. That goes so far back there. That's insane, huh, babes?
Yeah, that's weird.
Tell us your thoughts on that.
I personally am not a fan of Hydro Flask. I
Yeah.
think they break all the time and they leak.
Yeah.
But
I'm more of a Yeti guy myself. Yeah.
but
I feel like you're more of a Stanley girl yourself.
yeah,
Yeah.
I prefer Stanley. Oh shit. Oh gosh.
I hope it didn't break.
No, you're fine.
You still recording?
Yeah.
I'm more of a, hey babe, I'm more of a Ozark Trail kind of man myself.
Oh really?
No. Ozark Trail is Walmart's brand.
Oh.
So we're here at Bend Brewing Company. This place is freaking awesome and huge. It's right along the downtown river. There's a food truck out here, a little shop, and there's tons of places to sit. Now we're on a scavenger hunt to find Linnea. I told her to go find somewhere cool to sit. Where is she? Oh my gosh, there she is. She was just gonna make me wait and find her. I just got some fish and chips. Got some drinks. Hey.
Hi.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Black Diamond Dark Lager. Strawberry, basil, mint mocktail. Oh, love it. That looks amazing. This might be the best fish and chips, best looking fish and chips I've ever had. Tell me that doesn't look amazing.
What is it?
Fish and chips, dude.
Yo.
Yeah.